Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. Hey, the midterm election is coming up really fast. So have you noticed that the gas prices have been going down?
Gas prices, which had hit a record high, that affected the budgets of Americans all across the nation this year.
But now prices have steadily dropped, easing the rise in inflation, something that's welcome to everyone's ears. Reports by report the national average price of
triple A. You're clearly not a driver.
Wait, what? By triple? No. Triple A. I see what's going on here. Reports that the national average price for a gallon of gas is $3.72, more than 25% lower than the peak of more than $5.
They've been pushing this student loan forgiveness.
President Biden is making good on a campaign promise, student loan forgiveness. Here's what you need to know. If you got a Pell Grant, you'll get up to $20,000 of federal debt forgiven. If you did not get a Pell Grant, it's $10,000. Only people who earn less than $125,000 a year are eligible. The Biden plan also extends the pause on student loans one last time through December 31st. That pause has been in place since the start of the pandemic.
And now today, September the 18th, President Biden has said that the COVID pandemic is over. Check this out.
President Biden declaring the coronavirus pandemic over.
Is the pandemic over?
The pandemic is over. We still have a problem with COVID. We're still doing a lot of work on it. But the pandemic is over.
Pandemic over, but COVID is still a problem. The president says. That is from the president's 60 Minutes interview that just aired a short time ago. And he touched not only on COVID, but the economy, the upcoming midterms, and the war in Ukraine.
So what do you guys think? What's going on with this COVID? It's probably been over. I don't know, but they just declared it's over today, September the 18th, 2022. On a Sunday. But anyway, I would like to see what kind of comments that you guys leave. But again, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.